Oh my God. You even serious right now?
Connected.
What's up, YouTube? It's dafobra out here on Long Island, rolling with BK Low, the road captain, and two other guys out here I just met today. Really cool guys, beautiful bikes. So I'm representing Britain here on our way to First Manufacturing. They're having a cabin fever event, so let's get it. Let's rock, man. Like I said, we are going to head down to the First Manufacturing Cabin Fever event. It's going to be held at their storefront in Oceanside, New York. So we're going to roll out together, which is going to be cool. And yeah, I'm just excited to be out. Now, I got to tell you, it's cold out here. Don't look cold on camera, but I'm telling you, it's about 38, 39 degrees out right now, and the real feel has it around 30. I will tell you, on the highway it was probably colder than that with the wind, and I wasn't going to come. Now BK Low, I know that his heated gear kind of took a crap on him. Mine's working, and I figured, you know what, I gotta go. I gotta show up. If he can ride without heated gear, then I gotta do it. I got no excuses. Plus, to be just quite honest with you, I wanted to get out for a little bit. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna enjoy this ride. If I can keep up with these boys, real boys. Oh, jeez. You know, I gotta tell you, it really doesn't matter what you ride. It matters that you ride. And these guys are proof of that. Real quality people. And I'm really enjoying this ride today. You guys are ridiculous. Inspiring the next generation of riders right there. Wow. Pretty cool. So, in that moment, in that exact moment, it didn't matter what you were riding on the road with these guys. It doesn't matter what you're riding, and I think that's really cool. And that's something that's, I'm not going to say it's exclusive to motorcycling, but I think it's something that's really amazing about riding a bike, is that people can really truly appreciate, you know, the fact that you ride and welcome you into a community like this. So I'm having a blast here with BK Low, the road captain, and the boys. That was cool, man. So First Manufacturing, I actually went there with BK Low when they, I'm not going to say when they first opened, but I don't know, it must have been probably over a year ago when we first went down there and met the people over there. They were super cool, man, really nice people, and really welcomed us for a tour around their warehouse and their facility. And you can tell they're bikers, man. They're motorcyclists, they're motorcycle enthusiasts, and they really love what they do. And I guess that really transfers into their products. Dude, they're awesome. So we're gonna shoot over there. Like I said, they're gonna have their storefront today. It should be a lot of fun, and I'm just looking forward to getting out and, you know, BSing with some motorcyclists and talking bikes and having a good time. So I gotta tell you, it was a pretty good time, and it was great meeting Romano Mobile and the Dead Pirate Society and the road captain. Finally nice to meet the road captain. And of course, FXDLS Brooklyn, aka BK Low. And yeah, it was a good time, even though it was cold out. And I gotta give a shout out to the guys and gals over at First Manufacturing Company. Just, you know, the quality of their stuff is really, really great. If you're in the market for, you know, riding apparel, definitely give them a check. I'll put a link down below to their Instagram page, and I think they also have a YouTube. But you know, tell them dafobra sent you. And I believe that BK Low has a discount code available, and if he does, I'll put that down below as well. But yeah, really cool of them to host, and cabin fever is a great way to say it. It's nice to get out, although it's not freezing out, it's not super warm either. Heated gear is in a full effect, but I gotta tell you, it sucks putting all that stuff on, wiring it all up. Once you go in, it's wonderful. But it does add time to the ride, the time that you want to enjoy it, and but I guess it's a necessary evil if you want to get out. And get out I did. And if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching. This is how we keep busy here in the Northeast, and I'm super excited to bring this content to you and showcase some of the really good people we have around, and businesses like First Manufacturing. And it just proves that doesn't matter what you ride, just that you ride. And I hope you're able to get a ride in, and I'm going to continue mine. So if you didn't hit that like button yet, do me a favor and give it a little tap, and just smash that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you get notified of all the new uploads here on the channel. And spring, hurry up, I want to wear a mesh jacket. Ride safe, everybody. I'll see ya.